Trusting Your Taste Buds with Tina, and today we're making whole wheat chocolate cupcakes with sprinkles baked in, which are perfect for parties, birthday parties, get-togethers. So first, I start with 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, and then I am going to add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/4 of a tablespoon of salt. And then I'm just gonna lightly mix it. You just wanna make sure there's no white spots, which is really easy to do since the flour's got a little beige tint to it. And then I just add everything else. So we have 1/2 cup of oil, and 1 egg, 1 1/3 cup of milk. It might seem like more milk than my usual cupcake recipes, but that's because when you add the cocoa powder, you have to add a little more liquid. And then 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of sprinkles. So I have different colored sprinkles, and I use the bigger, thicker sprinkles, not the very tiny balls, so that they don't completely absorb into the batter when they're baking. And now we're just gonna blend it all up. Okay, so it's all blended up, and now we're gonna put it in the fridge for 1 hour to let the whole wheat flour absorb some of that moisture. Okay, so now it's time to put the whole wheat chocolate cupcake with sprinkles batter into the cups and get them in the oven. So I'm gonna do a quick stir, and you can see sprinkles are still in there. Probably looks like little white specks. Perfect. And then I'm gonna scoop them into the cupcake pan and fill them about 2/3 full because they do rise a bit. So I got a big spoon and scoop that batter in. These are gonna be so good. Okay, we have the cupcake pan full, and now we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees. I already have the oven preheated and ready. And they're gonna bake for roughly about 25 minutes. And we'll see them when they're done. Okay, so the cupcakes are done. They were in the oven for about 25 minutes, and then I checked them with a toothpick. And you can see sprinkles there. Perfect. And then you can see one like up close. This was one of the smaller ones, but still just as yummy. And then steaming hot. Really good, really chocolatey. So it's gonna be perfect for birthday parties. Put some frosting and more sprinkles on it, or get-togethers, family parties, anything. And don't forget that you can find the full recipe on my website, and like and subscribe so that you can get more recipes like this. Thanks.